Hello class and welcome to week 4. This week's assignment will be familiarizing ourselves with curves along with a few other adjustments to do some amazing things. For example, say we have this reasonably decent photo of New Mexico and we're like, it'd be great is if this were a little bit brighter and a little bit more contrasty and colorful and oomph. We could do all that with something called curves, which has a whole bunch of magical stuff going on in it that I will show you in great detail in the upcoming videos. As you can see, all these adjustments were done with a single edit. And this semester, what I'm going to be doing is showing you, boom, this one. So on the right, we can see the original photo. And on the left, we can see after we've done a colossal number of curves adjustments, let me get this property window out of the way, with a whole bunch of layer masks. We didn't have to use levels even once in this assignment, and we were able to get a pretty beautiful effect. All right, so I'm looking at it now, having finished it, I can see a few things I'd change, but hey, that's the nature of the beast, right, class? So we're going to go ahead and go step by step over what curves are, how to read them, how to use them, how to work with them, along with some other cool tools that you can use to adjust some things. And then I'm going to walk you through this whole beautiful process. And then from there, you'll go select your own photograph that of course is either one you've taken or is copyright free, or you have the copyright too. And then you'll process the entire thing yourself. All right, I think this is going to be a fun one. I think that curves are really amazing, although often misunderstood. Frequently people will be a little frightened going in, but once you know how to read them, I think you're in for a treat. See you next video.